Hey there, I'm reviewing this Root Touch-Up Gray Shadow Powder, a game changer for covering grays and thinning areas. It applies smoothly and blends seamlessly with natural hair, making it perfect for touch-ups on the hairline, eyebrows, and even beards. The formula is lightweight, long-lasting, and does not smudge easily. It provides a natural look without feeling heavy or sticky. The compact design makes it easy to carry for quick fixes on the go. Highly recommend this for anyone looking for a simple and effective way to refresh their hair color and cover thinning spots instantly.